In this video,
we will learn how to remove black bars on custom resolution in Fortnite.
if you are playing on a custom resolution in Fortnite and facing the black bar issue, the solution is very simple. Firstly, all you need to do is head to the search panel of Windows. From here, type NVIDIA control panel. After that, click on open and it will open up the NVIDIA control panel. Now from here, we will need to go to the adjust desktop size and position from the display tab. In here, we will see the scaling methods of your graphics card. Under the scaling mode, we need to select full screen, and the perform scaling on should always be on GPU. After you have changed the settings, from the bottom hand side, click on apply, then OK. After that, just close it, and now you can open up Fortnite. Now after getting into the game, as you can see, there is no black bars in your custom resolution and you can enjoy the game like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.